Hello everyone, welcome to the channels. Today we will be talking about how to make all cells the same size in Excel. So let's get started. So now to make all cells in the spreadsheet the same size, first click into the top left corner of the sheet to select all columns and rows. So now we're going to click this. So once you've selected all rows and columns, and now set the cursor on the column header, specifically on one of the lines marking the column border. So now you can see the cursor changes to a double arrow, and now just press the left mouse button, hold it and set the width as necessary. As soon as you release the button, the width you set will apply to all columns. We can also set a specific value as a column width, and it can be done more easily than you think. Again, set the cursor on the column borders, but instead of dragging the border line manually, do a right click and choose an option called column width. So here's the window in which we can type a specific number to define how wide all the columns in the spreadsheet should be. So let's go for 12 here and press OK. And here we go, with all columns having the same specified width. The same way we can adjust the row height. First we set the cursor on one of the row borders here. Then we press and hold our left mouse button and drag to set a universal row height. If there is a specific value to be used for the row height, right click on the row header, choose row height, enter the defined number. So we are going to use 14 here, and we're going to click OK. And that's all it takes to set the same height for all rows in the spreadsheet. So if you find this video useful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching.